significant because it reminds me of that individual that paid the price on the cross, so I could live. And so it's a very special moment for me, celebrating the one that paid all the price, so I could live.
I think for me, I love the image of the John's about the lights shining in the darkness, and I don't like winter. When it's dark, it's cold, I like being outdoors, and actually, Christmas is a reminder. When you go around, even when it's dark, you see the lights on the houses, the streets. It gives me a bit of hope, but also keeps the true light in the world. That's what always reminds me.
Amazing. Yeah, as you mentioned, he came into this world as you mentioned, dark and beautiful, being a light.
Amen.
Not only the light for the one person, one area, but the light of God. Yeah, o Natal é uma festa, é o nascimento de Jesus Cristo, o Filho de Deus. Nasceu em Betlém. Nós comemoramos esse dia para o mundo inteiro.
My message to those that are celebrating and those that are not celebrating is for you to be reminded that somebody actually paid the price so that you and I can live. And so this evening, I'm saying to you, Christ is the ultimate. Christ is the reason why we're living. And then I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and then a fulfilling New Year ahead. Thank you.
Amen. Thank you, brother. This is really significant message.
I just encourage you to, if you get a chance, pick up a Bible and have a read of the Gospel, one of the Gospels, or watch something about the life of Jesus. Just investigate something about Jesus. That's what I did when I found the Lord. It started with me just reading a Bible, a Gospel, to learn about this guy Jesus, who I'd heard a bit about, but didn't know much about, and it'll change your life.
Yeah. O Natal para nós, o Jesus tem que nascer no coração. Não só porque é Natal, é festa, é comer, beber, não. Mas Jesus Cristo tem que nascer no coração. Jesus, he have to born in the heart. Born into the heart, not only on the manger. Not only food, drink, no. Not Christmas is what to clean our sin, nosso pecado, para tirarmos Jesus para nascer no nosso coração e para começar o outro ano muito bem.
Thank you very much.
Obrigado.
Thank you. God bless you.
Muito obrigado. Também você.
Okay, thank you. Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you. God bless you and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Christmas season for me is so special. I got this my visa yesterday, and with that, God just renewed my mind about all His plans and purpose to me. So I have this thing alive and burning in my heart. So it's definitely such a beautiful thing. And I would tell you the same. God has purpose to your life. God has dreams to your life, and He will fulfill every single plan to the end, till He comes. God bless you. Merry Christmas.